Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a custom 59 Cadillac. It's one of the longest cars ever made. I think the longest was a Lincoln Continental, but this thing is only about 4 inches shorter than that. It was also known as a land yacht, as all those big cars were back then. So anyway, we're going to modify it, customize it, and we'll be right back. Okay, we got it drilled apart, and this is what we got. Windshield, interior, base, and the body. All right, so we'll take this, go get it stripped, and we'll be right back. We started with this. And we ended up with this. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the little notification bell for future videos. Appreciate any comments. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't. Well, we'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you later.